Namaste, hi, and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I'm using rose water as a toner to hydrate my face. Then, I'm using Pond's Super Light Gel as a moisturizer. Then, I'm using LAKMAÉ Blunt Primer as a base to give that matte. Now, I'm using the TSHOLO Hide and Seek Concealer Palette from TSHOLO. For that, I'm adding Makezmia's The Real Magic Drops for a long stay and a perfect base. Around the mouth area and under the eyes to even out my skin. Now I'm using the Europe Curl Pro Concealer as a base for the eyeshadow. It helps the eyeshadow to stick to your eyelids. Then with the same concealer, I'm drawing a guideline for my eyebrows with a flat brush. This method helps your eyebrows to look sharp and enhances your. I'm setting the base with a loose powder from the brand Europe Girl in the shade EG020 Biscuit. For the eyebrows, I'm using the Vieeyomee Beauty Eyebrow Palette. I'm mixing both black and dark brown shade to I'm taking the same dark brown shade to enhance the outer corner. Now I'm using the Dazeller eyeliner and creating a wing. Finish the other eye and see you soon. Here is the after look of both the eye completion. Now I'm using Makezmia's foundation in the shade MKZ202 and Recode HD Matte Foundation in the shade 05 Bombay and mixing both the shades. For that I'm adding Makezmia's The Real Magic Drops to give that waterproof and long stay makeup look. For the contour, I'm using a dark brown shade from the same eyeshadow palette and contouring my cheeks, nose and chin area. This part always needs a thorough blending. With a small flat brush, I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone to give an intense look. Now I'm using Character Glow Kids highlighter on my nose, cheeks and chin area. Finally, I'm fixing my makeup with a color bar setting spray and setting it with a fan. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.